Michelle with Pink and Maine. I'm super excited to be with you here today to share our August 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. This kit theme is Best Friends. Here we have our postcard. I can't wait to use this to make a card. Remember, I always make the postcards something usable that you can create a card out of. The saying here is true friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. It's such a beautiful saying, especially now that we're having to stay away from each other so much. So it tells you a little bit about what's in the kit, the color palette, where you can join our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group. You'll definitely want to do that so you can see inspiration from others and from us using these kits and stay up to date on the latest in what's happening. You're going to get some cardstock in this kit. Now we have half a sheet of this really pretty glitter paper, and it's kind of like black glitter on black paper, and it's just really, it's gorgeous. You have to see it in person. I know it doesn't show up quite as well on camera, but it is beautiful. So you'll get half a sheet of that. You're going to get 5 colored cardstocks. So we have a pretty lime green. We've got this textured black with the polka dots, really cool. We've got a light blue, a pink, and a coral color. And of course you get your 2 sheets of our ice rink cardstock, which is our white 110-pound cardstock. As always, you're going to get your 8.5 by 11 mesh zippered project bag. These are really nice for storing your projects and your kits and just about anything in. We've got our 1-inch little flare collectible button, and everyone's going to be a little different this time. The flower might be a different color for you. We've got pink flowers, blue flowers. I've got a green one here, so it'll be fun to see what color flower you get on your button. We're giving you 4 A2 size envelopes, so they fit 4 1/4 by 5.5 cards. So you get 4 envelopes. You always want something to send your cards in, right? You're going to get 5 types of grosgrain ribbon, and you get about a yard of each. So that's 5 yards of ribbon in these really pretty colors that coordinate with the kit beautifully. You always get an exclusive sequin mix. It's one of my favorite things is picking out the sequins for these kits. I always make sure they coordinate, match, and just go together in just a nice cohesive kit here so that you can put projects together that look wonderful. So these sequins, these are flat sequins. They're very shiny and pretty. We've got black ones in there. We've got some silver, and then we've got the colors of the kit. We've got that light blue and pink and lime green, and these are just really pretty and fun. We have some enamel shapes in this kit, and ooh, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they have glitter in them. They are so pretty, so sparkly, and again, the colors just match beautifully with the kit. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these, and I hope you do too. We have a sheet of chipboard stickers, and this is just a really nice addition. We have some polka dot hearts here that coordinate with the kit, as well as some flowers, and then some fun sentiment strips. I just thought it would be fun to add some nice sentiment strips to go along with these, and they're adhesive so you can peel off the back. They're chipboard, not a real thick chipboard, but a nice thickness that it adds some dimension, and so it's just a nice way to add your sentiment and add a little color and dimension to the card. You're going to get an exclusive stencil, and I'm not sure if you can see the pattern real well there, and I apologize. But it's just a really nice repeating pattern. Some of them look like leaves in here. I called the stencil leaf lines just because they kind of go in lines, and this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. And the paper pad, you get an entire paper pad in this kit. We always put in an entire paper pack, so you have tons of paper to create cards and other projects with. And I have to tell you, I love this paper pad. I design all the paper pads, and as a card maker, I always try to make things that'll work together and go well together, but I love these colors. I love the pink and the lime green and the peach and the light blue, all mixed with like black and gray. I think they just kind of go nicely together. So let's flip through this paper pack real quick so you can see. We also have some of these paper packs to sell separately, so you can grab some more if you like, so you can even create more projects. This first one is a nice black background with some pretty flowers, and on the back of that is the coral polka dot. We have a blue background with some flowers, and then we have this really pretty pink floral piece. We have some fun and funky triangles with the light blue polka dot. We have a really pretty plaid. I love plaids. And then on the back of that, we have this white and black floral pattern. We have a multicolored stripe with the black and the gray in there. And on the back of that is the dark pink polka dot. And I did the polka dots like really tiny this time, so they're nice card size polka dots. We have a diagonal colorful stripe on white. And on this one is the black is the background with the white florals. Really pretty. You're going to create some really nice cards with this paper. Then we have this green sheet with the little vines or leaves there. And then we have a pink sheet with the black saying best friends all over it. Look at this stripe with the flower pattern going through the stripes. We have a nice gray polka dot. Look how well that gray polka dot goes with that next plaid. Ooh, oh, I'm just thinking of ideas already of the cards I want to create. So we have another beautiful plaid, pink and gray with just hints of the other colors. Here's a really pretty peach or coral background with that floral pattern. We have this really nice gray grid that has, you know, the colorful grid lines on it. And we have a green polka dot. We have a cute little heart pattern, and on the back of that, oh my gosh, look at that. Bright pink with black polka dots. I love that. It's going to be so much fun to create with this kit. I can't wait. And then we've got a white background with those little petite flower patterns, and then a black and white polka dot. So I hope you love this paper pack as much as I do. Again, you get 24 sheets. They're double-sided. There's actually 24 patterns here, so you get tons to choose from, and you get 2 of each pattern. We have an exclusive die this month, and this is a nice big die set. We've got this big heart. We've got 2 flowers, 2 little leafy branches, and the words best friends. And these are going to cut out really thin and delicate and look really nice on your projects. And then I wanted to go to, last but not least, we have our stamp set, and this exclusive stamp set for the kit. We have this big floral heart, and then we have a floral heart that's just the florals. So you could do one as like a background where the color would be the background, and then here you could just do, you know, whatever color you wanted, and it would just be these beautiful floral pattern in the shape of a heart. We have some wonderful sentiments. You've been on my mind. You are simply the best. True friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. You have a way of making me laugh when the last thing I want to do is smile. Just some really nice sentiments, especially for now when we need to be friendly and kind to each other. And maybe we're missing some of our friends that we get together with. So you can send them a really nice card. This one says, love you bunches. I sign a lot of cards myself to friends and family, and I always put love you bunches. Grateful for our friendship. I've seen you at your worst. and I still think you are the best. I love that. So the heart in the die, I just wanted to quickly say, the big heart die will cut out both of these big hearts in the stamp set. So it's kind of a coordinating die there. That heart will cut out those. So I hope you've enjoyed this look at our August 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. I'm super excited about this kit. I know I say it every month, but this is one of my favorites. I love the colors. I love the stamp set with the sentiments. I'm ready to make some cards for my friends that I've been missing seeing in person, and I hope you are too. So thanks for being with me today and taking a look at this kit. If you want to check it out online, it's at pinkandmain.com. I know we just have a few spots left for August, so you want to head on over quickly and grab it if you want to. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life. Echo misses his buddy Maggie. They're best friends. This Echo's best friend Maggie. She misses Echo so much. When you can't be near your friends, Echo says the best thing is to send them a card.